Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make creamy coconut milk spaghetti and meatballs. That coconut milk adds so much flavor to the entire dish and it's really tasty. So if you want to know how I make this recipe, please keep watching. And while you're watching, don't forget to like this video, leave your comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please share this video to your family and friends. So guys, let's start cooking. So the first thing you will need will be pasta, coconut milk, meatballs, some nicely chopped onion and garlic, some butter, shredded Parmesan cheese, tomato puree, chopped spring onions, chili powder, and for seasoning I'll be using some onion and garlic powder, curry powder, and some seasoning cubes. I'll start off by cooking my pasta with some salt. And while my pasta is cooking, we're going to start making the sauce. So I go ahead and add in some butter into a clean pot. Once my butter is nicely melted, I add some onions and garlic. So I'll leave this to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes before adding my tomato puree. So right here I'm just adding some seasoning cubes. Some onion and garlic powder, and just a little curry powder. Then I stir it and leave this to cook for about, say, 5 minutes. Right here I'm adding some chili powder and guys, this is my best part. I go ahead and pour in my coconut milk. Then I add my meatballs and allow to cook. You allow this to come to a boil. So once the sauce comes to a boil, then you add your cheese. Depending on how you like your cheese, I really like cheese, so I'm going to add a generous amount to this sauce. So I'll cover it and allow the cheese melt down properly. Once my cheese is nicely melted, then I add my cooked spaghetti into the sauce. After adding your spaghetti, you're going to stir it just to incorporate all the sauce into the spaghetti. So guys, the last thing I'll be adding will be my spring onions. And guys, it's done. This was pretty much done in about 30 minutes and it really tastes so good. Look at that nice creaminess. Look at the creaminess of the pasta. Try it out guys and let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching to this point, and I'll see you all in my next one.